How does a Microsoft account activate your Windows license? Imagine turning on your computer and having Windows ready to go without typing in a long product key. That's the magic of how a Microsoft account helps activate your Windows license. When you buy a new computer or upgrade Windows, activation makes sure your copy is genuine and authorized. It's a key step to keep your system safe and working smoothly. There are two main ways Windows licenses work. One is with a product key, which is a 25-character code you type during setup. The other is a digital license, sometimes called a digital entitlement. This digital license is linked to your Microsoft account and your device hardware. It's like a digital handshake that proves you own the copy of Windows. When you sign in to Windows with your Microsoft account, several things happen. If your device already had a digital license, signing in can automatically reactivate Windows after you reinstall or change hardware. This is because your license is stored on Microsoft servers and associated with your account and your device's hardware profile. It makes moving your license between devices much easier. If you choose to use a local account instead of a Microsoft account, your activation depends only on your device hardware. In this case, if you change major hardware parts like the motherboard or processor, Windows might ask you to enter your product key again. Without linking your account, the system can't retrieve the digital license from Microsoft servers. To link your Microsoft account to your Windows license, you need to be signed in as an administrator. Go to Settings, then Accounts, and check if you're signed in with a Microsoft account. If you are, your license status will show that Windows is activated with a digital license linked to your account. If not, you can add your Microsoft account in the activation section. This step is helpful if you plan to upgrade hardware or reinstall Windows, as it makes reactivation easier. If you bought Windows with a retail or OEM product key, you need to enter that key during installation or later in the activation settings. This key isn't automatically linked to your Microsoft account unless you manually add your account and your system supports digital licensing for that addition. Using a Microsoft account for activation offers a lot of convenience. It helps you avoid keeping track of product keys and makes reactivating Windows after hardware changes or reinstallations simpler. But it also means your activation status depends on your online account. Losing access to your Microsoft account could make reactivation more complicated. This process shows how Microsoft combines cloud services with traditional licensing. Instead of hardware-only keys, linking your account creates a more flexible system. Other operating systems might use different methods, like serial numbers tied directly to hardware or manufacturer accounts. Windows' approach with Microsoft accounts is part of a move toward cloud-based management, making licensing easier and more user-friendly. In short, a Microsoft account activates your Windows license by connecting your digital entitlement to your online identity. This makes managing, transferring, and recovering your license straightforward, especially if you upgrade hardware or reinstall Windows. It's a way Microsoft makes sure your Windows experience is smooth and connected.